So for x, c sine of x plus square root of 3 cosine of x is equal to 3. For the condition which is equal to 0 degree x and 2 pi. Answer for that. So we have c sine of x plus square root of 3 cosine of x is equal to 3. So how to solve this? We can find these coefficients is equal to 1. For example, simplify or divide both sides by 3. We get sine of x plus square root of 3 over 3 cosine of x is equal to 1. So transform this, let square root of 3 over 3 is equal tan, for example, of angle theta. So then how to find the angle theta? Then angle theta is equal to tan of square root of 3 over 3. This is what? Angle theta is equal to pi over 6. So remember that tan of theta is equal sine of theta over cosine of theta. In our question, square root of 3 over 3 is equal sine of pi over 6 divided by cosine of pi over 6. Replace this in our question. We get sine of x plus sine of pi over 6 cosine over cosine of pi over 6. Cosine of x is equal to 1. How to solve this? So we will common denominator get cosine of pi over 6 sine of x plus sine of pi over 6 cosine of x is equal cosine of pi over 6. So remember that as sine of a plus b is equal sine of a cosine of b plus cosine of a sine of b. So then cosine of pi over 6 sine of x plus sine of pi over 6 cosine of x is the same to what? Sine of x plus pi over 6. So we replace this in our equation. So the sine of x plus pi over 6 is what? Cosine of pi over 2. This is what is square root of 3 over 2. So the sine of x plus pi over 6 is what? We solve this. Angle which has the sine of which is equal to that is what? Is equal sine of what? Of square root of 3 over 2 is equal to the sine of pi over 3 plus 2k pi, or sine of pi minus pi over 3 plus 2k pi. So also this what? Sine of x plus pi of 6 is what? Is equal pi sine of pi over 3 plus 2k pi and 2 pi over 3 plus 2k pi sine. In that case, x is what? X is equal pi over 3 minus pi over 6 plus 2k pi, and also 2 pi over 3 minus pi over 6 plus 2k pi. So x in that case is what? Is equal, here is equal pi over 6 plus 2k pi. And here common denominator is equal 6 for 3 pi over 6 plus 2k pi. So we need the condition. If the angle is located between 0 and 2 pi. If k is equal to 0, x is equal pi over 6 or x is equal pi over 2. So also if k is equal to 1, it is more than this. These are 2 pi and 2 pi plus this is the more. If k is cancelled, if k is minus also is not located in our solution, then based on condition, solution is equal pi over 6 and pi over 2. This is the value of x. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to continue.